What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be looking at Scratch again. So this is a new thing I just discovered. So not discovered, just learned about. So if you come here right here to Scratch Online and go to create and go if you and go to control and get forever and when clicked. So it actually kind of makes it like a little cool. So, like when this green flag is clicked, we will get something forever to happen. So let's get right into it. We have to put. Mm, so we have to get if a favorite block of mine though, but if we get if key pressed, if we put um let's put the down sorry up arrow, and then if up arrow pressed, then what we're gonna do is put and change x to 10. So if we press the up key button, that's strange. Hmm, because I haven't put when click. Um, Forever. I haven't put forever. And only then that means it's checking one bit but not the entire bit. So what it's doing what it's doing is basically only checking one bit. So to see if it's one time check if the code is correct or not. Because of if key pressed up, we're gonna do down arrow now and then change it to 10. So as you could see, he's kind of moving, but it is X. So you gotta change it to Y. So you see how Y and X are important in motion. So it actually kind of shows the way. As you can see, the guy moves by 1 or 10 degrees. So right here, these are both bits. So if you put forever and when clicked, we get another bit. So this is our bit. So I'm gonna select I'm not gonna select any character. You can pick any other character. So this is the character I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna get an apple, and then I'm gonna put go to random position, and then change Y by 180. And I'm also gonna put when clicked. So he goes in a random position, but it's Y. So it's like a random direction. Let's do X. See if it works for some reason. So as you can see, this is a way of doing this way. So now we have to find a way for this guy, sorry, meant this apple to go to go like left left way, and for the cat to catch the apple. That's what we're gonna do. So our bit is done. Not done actually. Let's actually kind of do down forward. So yeah, x, no y, and y to 100, 100. So 10 and minus 10 right here. See, right here he moves. So I'ma see you. Just kidding. So this is how this works. So this is the movement bit. So let's get it with the apple. Go to when clicked. So when the green flag is clicked, when green flag clicked forever, no, if then if then if then touching sprite 1, and then what we're gonna do is do the same as this. So go to a random position and then set x 180. So if this touches him, so if this is touching sprite, it goes to a random position right here that I'm standing in. Oh wait, actually I kind of had to I did this the opposite twice. So change. Okay, yeah. So now if it kind of works, so but kind of works. So as you can see, if I just press like this, the apple goes in a random position. So what the best option is for me to do is actually kind of for the apples to go this way. So like the way I'm pointing to. So I am actually gonna find it. Wait. Yeah, and then we have to make a variable called scor scores. We're gonna make a variable called scores. So right here. So when basically our scores basically when the cat catches an apple, which he which he collects. So that means that the score goes up by 1. But making sure our score doesn't always keep being the same, let's set variables to 0 when clicked. So if we catch this apple and we stop the game and restart it, the apple score will be the same. But if we put when green flag click, set my variable to 0. So this is a great way for people who don't know how to do this. So what we're gonna do now is go to the apple, and then yeah. So what we're gonna do is actually gonna make him. We're gonna make him go this way. So one click wherever. move. So we're gonna say when clicked move. Um, move 10 steps. So 10 steps. Let's start. Oh, that's opposite. Sorry, minus 10 steps. So say it goes like that. That is a perfect replica. So we did both things. So that bit is done. The sprite, the cat bit, kind of done. Yeah, but done. So what we're gonna do is add a wait, no, wait. What we're gonna do is like add like a type sound when we collect the apples, and we're gonna do some apples. So I'm gonna see how to do them. So I'll see like just think of how to do them. So when clicked, forever, when clicked forever on, and wait 1 second. Hmm. Wait, I'm gonna change this bit actually because I don't think it's correct. It is change x by -5. So if I just put this, oh, that is perfect. Good thing I did that. Oh, okay, guys. So I just did some off actually kind of forgot to put the camera on. My camera just died, so yeah, I kind of had to do it off camera. So this is the thing I just did. It kind of took like 30 minutes for me to understand. So this is these four are mainly, but if we wanted to add some music when we collected it, so let's start playing it. Oh, 1 second. Mm-mm. Wait. So this is really hard to do. So I just figured it out. Wait, no, wait. If I put it to set like this, so um, wait a second. I actually kind of changed this bit from up arrow to right arrow, and left arrow to from down arrow to left arrow. So yeah, I kind of changed it. And then yeah, this bit kind of doesn't make sense, so I changed it. And then it works for some reason. Maybe because you're only supposed to do that way, huh? Don't get it at all. So you can kind of take a picture. So yeah, I'd rather you do so to do it. So right here you can see our scores going up because I did these bits which are very good. So you can kind of copy them if you want to do them. You can take a picture. So yeah, this is how you kind of do it. Not like kind of you. This is how you do it. But add a backdrop. You can choose whatever you want. Wait. backdrop. You can choose whatever you want. So I am picking. What should I? Yeah, I'm gonna pick a classic blue sky. So this is so good. Kind of famous though, but right here, look. We have to do this to the apples as well. Not the apples. To the when I click my variables, my scores set to 0. So now see, of course, just went to 0. Okay, apples are literally just pointing right here, like right here, when the cursor is. So I'm gonna try and change that. So whatever. I don't think it works actually, kind of. So what I'm gonna do is go to the sprite and go right here and put if on the edge bounce. So he bounces. He doesn't go that way then. It is really fun and funny, by the way, because he slips and falls backwards. Yeah, it is super funny. It kind of makes the game super hard to catch apples. So, well, if you can kind of change how it is. So, I'm gonna duplicate this and put it right here. I can put like A. Wait, not A. Let's call D. This is just how lots of people just do it. So and A. So now, if I just restart again and I'm gonna push my keys, A and D, it works. It is optional to do both and one. You can do like the A and D one or the left and right one. It is optional also. It's super fun. So this is how you make the game. So bye bye. See you next time in the next short or video. So if you watch the next short, you might be very lucky or video. So bye.